Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a tax strategy with TurboTax, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open TurboTax and create an account or log in if you already have one. Select the appropriate version of TurboTax based on your tax situation. Begin a new tax return by choosing Start a new return. Input your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Proceed to the income section and enter all sources of income. This includes wages, self-employment income, and any other earnings. After entering your income, move to the deductions and credits section. Identify which deductions and credits you qualify for. Make sure to check for common deductions such as student loans, mortgage interest, and medical expenses. Use the TurboTax search feature to find specific deductions related to your situation. Enter all relevant information to maximize your tax benefit. Next, review the summary page to ensure all information is accurate. Look out for alerts or prompts to address any missing information. Once everything is finalized, choose your filing method. You can e-file or print and mail your return. If you are expecting a refund, choose to direct deposit it into your bank account for quicker access. Finalize your filing by following the prompts to submit your return. Keep a copy of your completed return for your records. Consider setting reminders for next year's tax season to stay organized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.